welcome to my channel, and today I am going to wow you. And guess what? Today I am going to show you an opportunity that is really going to make money for you guys. I started already, and I just 2 days back, and guess what? I have little results, though I didn't have much. Alright, so quickly let me show you guys. So one question before we start: how many of you guys that anytime you recharge your mobile line, anytime you pay light bills, anytime you buy data, MB for your internet use, anytime you pay for TV subscription like GoTV, DSTV and the rest of them, and you get paid back? Guess what? What if I tell you that you can recharge your phone, your mobile line, you can pay your NEPA bills, TV subscription, data, and still get your money back? This opportunity that I'm going to share with you has what I'm talking to you about. So quickly, this is just an introduction video I'm doing for you guys, but I am going to do another video which is going to show you the deep part of this. But let me just brush up, okay? So one thing that makes me like and trust this company is because it is from a trusted company. It is like a company under another company, okay? A company under the umbrella of a known and a powerful company that has been for close to 10 years now, which is H2I. The meaning is Helping Hands International. Guess what? You don't need much money to start this business with. Minimum requirements, guys: you need your phone, if you have your smartphone, your tablets, if you have laptop, if you have whichever one, but with your phone, guys, you can start this business. And quickly, let's just go. It is salary for life, guys. You join this business, you earn residual income. Can you imagine you earning $100 a day? This is just about the company. You can see the services we offer, and guess what? You just need 2,000 naira or $6. That's for international members or international users. This company is available in over 150 countries. This is how far this company has gone. Whenever you top up, you make money. Whatever you do, whether you buy airtime, you buy data, you pay light bill, you subscribe for your TV, you're gonna get paid, and your money goes straight to your account. You withdraw your money straight to your bank account. Let me just show you guys a bit about this. Let me log in. Okay, so quickly I am going to log in and show you a little of the results I got in 2 days. Here we go. This is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. Okay, here are the navigations, whatever you want to check, but I just want to show you how it looks like. What I have right now is 529, but for my referral bonus I got 2,300. okay, and top up commission from what I recharged my line recently, and I got about, though it's accumulated from what my downlines did. Okay, this is just fresh, didn't go far. Next video I'm going to show you ways you can earn using this company. So for now, I'm just going to say bye and see you guys in the next video.